Hello everyone, welcome to the session on statistical learning. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the buzzwords today. Everyone gets excited to see computers perform amazing feats using these technologies. From self-driving cars to computer-aided diagnosis of diseases, AI is everywhere. But if we stop for a minute and think about how all this is done, we will realize that there is a strong mathematical and statistical foundation underneath. And that is what we refer to as statistical learning. Statistical learning provides the theoretical basis for many of today's machine learning algorithms. Algorithms such as linear regression and logistic classification are time-tested techniques of statistical learning. Further research into these led to developments such as the ridge regression and lasso regression techniques that offer greater control over the process. Statistical learning methods seek to find the underlying pattern in the data in the belief that the data may be most appropriate for one specific statistical model. If such a pattern is found, the reward is a very accurate model that can perform exceptionally well with unseen data. In a sense, it reinforces the belief that the universe is a mathematical entity. This approach can be contrasted with the power-driven approach of deep learning, which is largely a black box process. With deep learning, we are more concerned with getting the results and less worried about how the results are obtained. This can be very helpful when the underlying problem is complex and the results are good. However, the understanding provided by statistical learning methods allows the creator of the model to fine-tune the performance in a scientific and logical manner. The theoretical foundation also defines the kind of data that a model may accept. This ensures that critical assumptions are not violated. All this makes for a more robust model. There are a couple of downsides too. Statistical learning methods are deeply mathematical in nature and may not be easy to understand. On the other hand, machine learning methods have been brilliantly implemented in libraries such as sklearn, so that people with only a basic statistical knowledge are also able to use them. In other words, one need not know how an engine works in order to drive a car. A second problem with statistical learning methods relates to the data that needs to be modeled. It may not be possible to find a mathematical construct that matches the data precisely. In such a situation, a statistical model may not be so accurate. Finally, we have to realize that even the most complicated artificial intelligence or machine learning techniques are basically statistical in nature. To extract the maximum advantage, a knowledge of statistical learning is an absolute must. That's all for this session. If you like this mini bite, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.